Can we let the kitten come out?
Yeah. Watch my feet, mister. Do you love it? It's pretty cool, huh? What else can it do? Show me the thing. That was close. Does it have a horn or something, or just back and forward? Come out here. Do it out here. Jai, don't bring it in the garage because it's yuck.
She scratched me.
Come over here. Come out here. Show me your beautiful ring. This way. Can you see it?
Wait.
Oh, it's so pretty. You can move on. It looks really nice on you, doesn't it?
Can I get some food, please?
Matt will be home in a second.
I just want to blink. Drink, please. All I can do is play in the garden. I'll just play here.
What's Zach doing? Hello. Muffin. Hello. Hey Emma, did you close the front door? Oh, good girl. That's just junk. Do you want to put it in the bin? In the yellow bin? Got your shoes on? We'll just play out here for a little while because it's getting hot. Yeah, I know, but we're going to get burnt soon. Jai, off the road, please. Jai, off the road. Now. Emma.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, baby.
There's Becky. I love you, Mom.
I love you, Munchkin. Do some tricks, Zach. Because I'm recording it and I'll show you what you look like when you do tricks.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby.
Are you making the video?
Sure am. It's a bit close.
Yeah? It's better?
Yeah.
Wait.
Are you excited about the baby? How long until she's born?
What?
How long until she's born? Watch my feet dry. Come here.
Look at that.
Stay there. How long till the baby's born?
6 or 3.
2 days? 2 more sleeps.
And after Monday, is it going to be born or Sunday?
No, Thursday.
Thursday? Yeah.
And you're going to sleep at Nanny's while I'm in the hospital. 2 sleeps. And what's her name? What's the baby's name?
I don't know.
Starts with a C.
Chloe.
Do you want that name?
I like Chloe.
Yep.
Do you want
Oh,
Chloe?
the cat's out.
Who's allowed to come out now? I will get her.
Guys, can you stay down here where I can see you?